What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have kind of a stupid video, if I'm honest, but it should be pretty good. We are just putting on some door lights, things that I just got cheap off Amazon. They're a really easy mod to do. They just, once you open your door, they're motion sensed, and it shines down a Mitsubishi symbol. So we'll show you what the Mitsubishi thing is. We'll show you the lights. Pretty simple mod, very easy to do. But figured we'd make a video on it, so yeah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna get and open them real quick. Like Andrew said, it's nothing special, but honestly, it's a cool little mod that you can do for your car, cheap and easy. So Andrew's gonna get an opening it real quick, and then we'll get the cleaning off where you're putting them, show you guys where you mount them, and yeah, we'll get right into it.
Alright guys, so as you guys saw when I opened it, very simple little things, but this is what they look like. So they just show Mitsubishi, and like I said, they're motion sensed, so it's by like magnet, so we also have to hook that up. But for now, I'm just gonna stick the 3M tape onto them, and then we'll get it to the doors and put the magnets on the car, and then we'll just show you what it looks like with the lights off and stuff like that. They were like 30 bucks on Amazon, so they're very cheap, and it's kind of a cool mod. So yeah, let's just get into putting on the 3M tape. Alright guys, so we're gonna put them on. For me, I was just planning on putting them like right here on the door. That way they're not super visible, and they're also not like in the way. Then the magnet, I was thinking about just putting here, and then we'll just go from there. So what I gotta do, I'm not gonna armor all or anything because that will make things unsticky, but I'll heat everything up, and I will wipe down like the dirt and stuff just so it's not sticking to dirt. So I'm just gonna heat everything up quick, and then I will get to sticking them on.
Alright guys, so we got them installed. Obviously that was super easy, but they look pretty good, as you can see. Close them. Open it back up. There they are. What I don't like about them is they look a little weird, like when you just open up the door. It's kind of like a little bulky, but they all look like that. But honestly, for the price you paid, it's kind of cool. We're gonna get a couple shots with the lights off, and we'll show you guys that. But that's pretty much the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out Motor Element if you're gonna buy anything on there. Use code SBOYS for 15% off. Also check our TikTok, Instagram, everything like that. We got some big things coming soon, guys. So make sure you stay tuned for that. We can't tell you guys what it is yet, but we're sorry for this. Next week. Big video Sunday. Cross our fingers, hopefully. Banger video, guys. You're gonna love it. But that's why this video is kind of rushed and not good, because currently today is Sunday, and we post every Sunday on this channel. But we didn't have a video, so we decided to do this. So that's why it's a little crap. It's because Sunday, next Sunday, boys. Mark it on your calendars. It's gonna be a banger day. But yeah, guys, see you guys in our next video.